Hey everybody, what's going on? Sean here with Zero to Income, and let's play with webinar videos some more, huh? What do you say? In yesterday's video, I talked about the difference between a video on a webinar page and a video on any other System.io funnel page. They are different. Let's just actually go over and take a look at this real quick and give you kind of a recap. What we're looking at right here is a webinar page, and it's already running, and it runs automatically. All right. So when you first do a preview of a webinar page, and here we're going to go ahead and I'm going to do a preview. It's just so that you're aware when you're working with these what to expect. Go and click on View Funnel Step and see there's a countdown. So when you go to view it, there's going to be a countdown, and that countdown is going to also be there for anybody that registers for one of your webinars and they are waiting for it to start. There's going to have a countdown for you. So notice it starts automatically. There are no controls on a webinar video. All right, you have an option to turn the volume on and off. That's what we've got going on here. That's pretty much it. It's just going to run till it ends. All right, and there's the webinar. So what happens if you want more than one video? This came up in a question in one of the Facebook groups. And the challenge is when you go and add another webinar session video to a webinar funnel page in System.io, they all start at the same time. All right. There's no way of controlling that. Now, for those that just want to get the solution and move on, too long, didn't watch, the key to this is just use some embed code. Pop it into a raw HTML element, grab the video from your YouTube channel in an unlisted playlist, and pop it in there, and you're good to go. All right. So for those that want to see how we do this, let's jump in there and do that next. All right. So what I'm going to do here is we're going to go back to our funnels in the System.io dashboard. I don't want to make changes to the original page. So what I'm going to do, we're looking at the broadcast page. I'm going to go ahead and click on it and do duplicate. Going to confirm. And right below is the duplicate. I'm going to go ahead and just put copy of broadcast. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and click out of this, and we can go ahead and click out of this. And now I'm going to go into edit page. Once in here, just so that I can see when I open it up, I want to go into my settings, and I'm going to scroll down to actually the title right here. I'm going to go to my settings, and right here at the very top, I'm just going to put test page. And then also, so that I can always tell that I'm working on test page, I'm just going to pop in here real quick and pop some headline text in there right there and put this is a test page. Do what you will. All right, click on save. All right, so what we've got here is a duplicated page, and this is the original video here popping up here. And again, now what we want to do is we want to add more videos. Maybe it's one video, maybe it's two videos, maybe three videos. What we're going to do here is I'm going to add a new section, pop that in right below the top section. I'm going to click into the top section because I'm going to make it the same color. Click into our color, copy that, go back down here to this section, go to that background color, grab the whole thing and paste in. There we go. Now what we want to do is we want to grab a raw HTML element. Scroll all the way down, drag that, pull that into our row that was automatically added. So that's where we're going to put the embed code. Now we would go over to our YouTube channel, and you would go into your unlisted video that you've got set up already beforehand. In this case, we're just going to grab this one here. Going to right click and just do open a new tab. We've opened it in the new tab, and we're going to go over here to share. Click on share. We're going to click on embed, and we're going to click on copy. We've got the embed code now. We're pretty much done with that. I'm going to go back to our editor. Click into the raw HTML element. Click on edit code. Highlight everything to take it out, paste it on in, and we will do a save. All right, well, we're running into some issues here. You could leave it this size if you want, but I think it would look more professional if it was the same size as the video above. How do we figure out what size this video is. A little trick that I came up with, just stumbled across a week or so ago, was with the window snipping tool. If you're using a Mac, obviously you're going to have to figure out another way of finding your dimensions for the video. But if you pull up the window snipping tool and you put it on the option for snipping a record, so you can record it rather than just taking a screenshot, click on record, then go ahead and click on new. And now when you drag, watch what happens. Notice that lower right hand corner, it's giving you the dimensions. So you just draw a picture right around the video, and we're looking at dimensions of roughly 988 or so. Roughly 988 by 617. Again, doesn't have to be exact. We'll do 988 by 616. Okay, so we're going to go back over here into our code. I'm going to click out of that. Go click into the raw HTML, click on edit code, and right here, 988 by 616, and do a save. And there you go. You have your video. All right. So now when somebody goes into your webinar page, this top one's going to automatically start. All right. They're just, that's the way it's going to go. They'll have the option again to turn off the volume if they want, or turn it on the volume. These other ones, though, will be just like regular videos. They'll be able to watch them. Click on them and watch them, and have all of the normal controls they would normally have for watching a video. I'm not going to do any more than this first one. You would literally just, if you're going to have more, 2 or 3, I would go up to the whole section and I would duplicate it. And then you pop in your embed code for the next video, put in the proper dimensions, and you're good to go. We click on preview real quick. Again, countdown's normal. When you're previewing it, if obviously if this is live and somebody just signed up for a webinar, it doesn't start for 15 minutes, that countdown will be counting down accordingly with the 15-minute countdown. All right, and there you go. Those are the 2 videos that we've got. Just like that. Yeah, that's how you would add more videos than just the standard webinar video to a webinar page in system.io. Now, if you're really digging these videos, we have a whole system.io playlist. Go check it out. Thanks for watching, everybody.